So what I want to talk with you about then are what can you do that won't create a penalty period? What options do you have to give away assets? So what I want to talk with you about are exceptions to Medicaid's rule, the rule that says you can't give away assets within 5 years. So what that involves is transfers which cause no penalty. So let me share my screen again. Voice program. So for some people, their income is really low. You know, it's below what is $2,523. And the only income we're looking at is the person who needs to go into a care facility. So if we have somebody that all they have is Social Security and they have under this 2,523 in gross income, and that's likely to go up again October 1st, not sure, but it probably will. They can actually give away all their assets with no penalty, and Medicaid will pay for their care. This is an exception to the rule that you can't give away your assets. So remember that situation where I said that mom has 150,000, she just gives it away to her daughter, and that was a bad idea? It's not a bad idea in this case if she's going into an assisted living in an adult family home and they will take Medicaid and her income is below $2,523 because Medicaid will pay for her care. Who would have known? So when she does this, she files a Medicaid application. They do actually impose a penalty period, but not for the CSC program, but for the COPES program, which is a different program that pays for care as well. So during this time frame, if she stays in the same level of care and doesn't need to go to a skilled nursing facility, she's actually preserved her estate, $150,000, just because they dealt with a lawyer who knew Medicaid's rules. So this is a planning opportunity. It doesn't happen all the time, but it's definitely something that we would look for. And keep in mind that when people are moving into an assisted living or an adult family home, and let's say that they accept Medicaid, this is the same facility. This is not like a different level of care than other facilities. Think about this. A lot of facilities have a private pay period. Sometimes they make exceptions to the rule, but a lot of facilities have a private pay period. And, you know, so you're in there for 2 years privately paying, and then they take Medicaid. Did you have to move? Did you move to another facility? No, it's simply the exact same facility. Facilities want a private pay period because the pay rate they get is far higher under the private pay rate than when Medicaid pays, but they're willing to accept 2 years as a private pay. So don't think that the Medicaid pay, yes, it's less, but don't think the facility is any different, because oftentimes it is not any different at all.